Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1 litre turbo Civic SR. Now of course you do get LED daytime running lights on this car. You also get 4 front parking sensors, and then you do get the 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels as standard on this car. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. Now walking round to the rear, we do have 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got a brilliant little reverse camera just up at the top there. We've got plenty of room in the tailgate, as you can see, with 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and the seats do fold flat with this level just here. You also get a 12-volt power outlet just under there as well, along with this brilliant little pullover privacy shelf, as you can see there, which does marry up with the privacy shelf on the boot just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings kept in the tailgate compartment. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we do have your cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. We've then got 4 electric windows all round, all of which are automatic as well. Jumping inside the car, as you can see, we do have your ECON and your stop start on or off. We've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold, and then we have got your 6-speed manual gearbox in the middle. We've then got your dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display in the middle. Within this display, you do of course have all of your various settings in here, including your satellite navigation. It's got your various audio sources just here as well. And then it does also have your Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see just here. Within that, you can see the reverse camera has got a nice clear picture as well for when you are in a tight reversing situation. Moving over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the left with your Bluetooth hands-free, voice control and your onboard computer controls. The arrows on the left work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer as well. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 34,225 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this 1 litre SR, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.